Thutha wa mirugamo itiganite kwiyumiria muthenya wa ira iguru ria rendekithia ria bengi nene hari kwenda watho wa kuheana ngombo wikwo mogaruruku riu nake Minister Rotich ni yumiritie na kuga niarathathaga kihonia gia thina uyu.
We have also received proposals from Kenya Bank Association on how they can improve lending to the SMEs and we are all going to put that together as a package to Parliament.
Rotich aratanya kurehe Ndereti ya watho iria igukorwo igitabarira murutire wa wira kuri honge cia kibeca ari ni hamwe na kugitira akombi kumana na marihi ma iguru ma njoherera hamwe na mawatho mangi makonainie na mutugo mweru wa mabengi.
We are going to propose sort of a new bill which deals with credit management in this country. There are many issues. It's not only the price alone. There are issues about consumer protection issues, issues about how Kenyan access credit, issues of the credit worthiness of Kenyans and all that.
Ningi Rotich ni akinyiriirie kuga ministry yo ni yambikite makinya maria mekunyihanyihia hoba cia mathire ma bururi ari ni hamwe na kunyihanyihia mahuthiro ma mishara hamwe na kurugamia tabarira imwe cia uthii wa nambere iria ingikinyanirio na njira ya matina.
If a ministry or a state corporation is building a car park, we stop that road. But if it is building a road, a ministry that is building a road, yes, we don't touch that. Another one which is just building an headquarter, we would slow down that.
Ningi nigwite ni mararaniria na honge cia kuheana ngombo na niguo kuhotithia muingi kwigwatira ngombo cia waki wa manyumba na marihi mathi ma njoherera kuona bengi nyingi guku bururi-ini itikoragwo na uhoti wa kuheana ngombo iria ingirihika na kahinda karaihu.
And we are going to talk to development partners. Already the World Bank is committing $250 million. I don't know, it's 250 or I think $150 million. And then also government will put some seed money. And then we have invited banks also to participate and any other institutions or hold long-term money.
Rotich ekwaragia uhoro uyu hindi iria gucemanitie na director munene bengi ya Africa thiini wa gitaro kia Africa irathiro Nyamajeje Caleb na uria urari icera ria kiumia kimwe ria guthurima uria tabarira iria bengi irugamirire kibeca ikoretwo igitwarithio na mbere. Muigai wa Gathungu, Kameme TV, Wonjoria.